Today we'll talk about how can you create new password on your app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, so then it's going to take you to this. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on trading account here, just click on it. So when you just click here on trading account, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on generate new password. So then you just click here on OK because you will be logged out here. Then you will create new password on your app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.